Okay, I got it short. Um, my plans for the summer: A, to make big painting with like my two best friends, like handprints and like cool things and sayings all over it, to put up in my room because I'm gonna redo it. I'm really excited, and I want to. Well, currently I am talking to my friend, and she said, "Have fun on my canoe trip," because I'm going canoe tripping, and she said not to hit on Mr. Zeddy, a teacher of ours, and I said in reply to that, "Holy pooping turtles! I thought you evaporated out of thin air. I will try and not orgasm all over Mr. Zeddy, but no promises." And then she's like, "Wait, how did I evaporate?" And then I said, "Wait," I said, "I thought your phone imploded or some crazy zebra unicorn ate it." And she said, "Oh, true. I like drugs too. Lay off, crazy." And I said, "Giggles." Say hi, Kissy. Um, I was just really bored, and I'm in my sister's room because I was finding stuff, and I found this, and it's the cutest thing in life, and I want it really bad because it's like, where? But, yeah. I'm a pig. Oh, yeah. Also, um, during the summer, I am planning on buying a panda, like a stuffed animal, like a like this big, like that big, and a pig that are like the exact same size, then cutting off both of their heads and then gluing each other together. So you have a panda pig and a piggy panda. And yeah, sorry for like the no makeup hair thing. I just finished packing for about like 3 hours now. Yeah. Okay, that was all, and I haven't made a video in a long time. I'm getting braces soon because I cheated. My lip is still good. Mm, Getting my hair redone. I have glasses, but they're not on 'cause my eyes hurt. So I'll make another video soon. If you have any like requests for anything, like singing or talking about stuff, just let me know. Okay, peace out.